In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal as a payment method on your website, and we'll aim for about 2.5 minutes to cover everything. This is a straightforward process, but ensuring you get it right is crucial so that your customers can seamlessly make purchases using PayPal. Starting on your homepage, you'll want to navigate to your settings. This area is the command center for managing your site's operations, from design to functionality. Once you're in the Settings hub, look for the section labeled Payments. The Payments section is specifically where you'll configure the different methods your customers can use to complete transactions. It takes a moment to load, but once it's open, you'll have a comprehensive view of all the current payment options integrated with your site. You'll see a list titled Supported Payment Methods. This list shows all the payment processors you currently utilize, as well as those available for activation. Our focus, of course, is PayPal. Find PayPal on this list and click on the accompanying Activate button. Activating PayPal transforms it from a dormant option to a fully functional payment gateway available for your customers. At this point, the system will prompt you to enter your PayPal email address. This is the email associated with your PayPal account and is pivotal for linking your site to this payment service. Ensure you enter this email accurately to avoid any connection issues down the line. A typo here can lead to hours of troubleshooting, so double-check before hitting Next. Once you've securely entered your email, proceed by clicking on Next, and you will be directed through PayPal's standard setup process. This might involve logging into your PayPal account to verify the link between your site and PayPal. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which might include confirmation steps or additional verification based on your account's security settings. And that's it, folks. You've successfully activated PayPal as a payment method on your site. With PayPal activated, your customers are now able to make purchases using their PayPal accounts. Remember, providing multiple payment options not only enhances the user experience, but can also significantly increase your sales by accommodating more customer preferences. If you encounter any issues, most platforms offer support, or you can visit PayPal's Help Center for assistance. It's also a good idea to test the checkout process yourself to ensure everything works smoothly from the customer's perspective. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your payment setup process a breeze. See you in the next video. See.